You didn't think I'd tell you what the real cure was, did you? It's not pineapple juice. I was just stalling you so you'd run out of time. Don't worry. Once you like me, you'll never want to switch back. Rigby! Rigby! Dude, open the door! It's too late! He's my friend now! Rigby, I figured it out! It's tomato paste! Secure it, tomato paste! Don't worry, it's almost over. And then you and I will split the skunking duties at this park for the rest of eternity. You can stop me from splitting my pain with your friend. You can't stop it. You can't stop nothing. You're right. I can't stop it, but Rigby can. Split this. Still counts as a skunk, right? Totally counts as a skunk. Bingo! Bingo!
And